Okay, there's going to be drenching thunderstorms around this evening, around 7 o'clock this evening. Right now it's 1:34, so the storm's coming in 5.5, 6 hours. And actually right now it's very hot and very humid. It's about 90 degrees with almost 100% humidity outside. So it makes it feel like it's 110 degrees. I think today's high is probably gonna be 90. As it looks, there's already a little bit of dark clouds outside. Not too many, but a little bit. Over there, the clouds are coming from back there. They're going this way. And the storm looks like it's in West Virginia.